Hey guys, my name is Robert Benjamin, and on my channel I teach people how to grow their following on social media. If it's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, doesn't matter. I can show you how to grow all of them. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 10,000 views a day on your YouTube videos with Google AdWords. Before I get started, I want to make sure that you guys go smash that subscribe button. I don't want you guys to miss out on anything else that I'm going to put out about how to grow your following on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, so make sure you guys do that. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have heard of this before. If you haven't, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I literally answer every single comment I get, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. So here you guys have it. My recommendation for you guys, if you guys want to get 10,000 views on your YouTube videos a day with Google AdWords, is running discovery ads, right? So I'll show you guys an example of this. We'll go to youtube.com. Let's just say, for example, we type in TikTok algorithm. Ooh, I spelled that wrong. Just type in TikTok algorithm. So as you guys can see, no ads are showing up here. Let's try another search, TikTok algorithm 2020. Once again, no ads are showing up. All right, so let's try something that will guarantee to get an ad hit on, Amazon FBA. Here we go. So this is an ad right here. Some of these videos are also going to be ads. It does not look like it's showing it right now. You know what? Let me try going to an incognito window, because I think some of the tools that I have enabled for YouTube are not allowing an ad to show. So if we go Amazon FBA, here we go. So right here, guys, this is the #1 video that shows. This is an ad right here, right? So what this person is doing is they're running a YouTube discovery ad, and they're getting people to click on this video and watch this video for a couple cents. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys could do that. So what you guys are going to do, you guys are going to come over to Google AdWords. You're going to go into campaign. You're going to click this plus symbol here. As you guys can see, I already have one running. Today I've gotten almost 500 or really almost 600 views from it today. I'm paying 3 cents per view. I'm getting earned views, which is people that are going and watching other videos of mine, and then I'm also getting earned subscribers and earned likes. Nevertheless, what you guys are going to do, you guys are going to click that plus symbol. You're going to come down here. You're going to click product and brand consideration. You're going to click video influence consideration, then you're going to click continue. We're going to wait for this to load, and mind you guys already need a YouTube video to be able to do this. So now you're going to name the video. So let's just do this one, test. You're going to have to bid for a maximum CPV. You're going to want to do campaign total budget or daily budget. Let's just go with daily budget, set that to $20, no end date. When we come under networks, you guys are going to want to get rid of video partners. We only want to run in the YouTube search results and YouTube videos. Locations, US only, all languages. I think that's fine. Come down here, we're going to create an ad group. We could just once again name this test. So for those of you that don't know, within each ad group is where your audience is going to live. So within here, we can do a ton of things. We can bid based on one, audiences. Maybe you guys are making business content and you guys want to target people that recently started a business or are starting a business soon. You guys could just type stuff in here, right? Business, and it'll come up with a whole different slew of audiences that you could target. If you guys don't want to target by audience, something that you can do is target by keywords. So business, starting a business, and you guys could just add as many keywords as you want. And then what's going to happen is when people search for those certain keywords, it's going to serve them this ad. It's going to show up #1 in the search results. It's also going to show as a suggested video on the right hand side when they're already watching a video, and this is going to allow you guys to get a ton more views. So once you're done with this, let's just type test 1, test 2. I would recommend you guys put as many relevant keywords as possible. I wouldn't adjust topics. I wouldn't adjust placements. I would set this maximum CPV to 25 cents. And then what you guys are going to have to do is copy and paste your link to the video that you guys want to show. Come over here. You're going to put that in there. It's going to pop up. You guys are going to want to click video discovery ad. I would just keep the regular thumbnail of the video, and then you can make a headline, description, and name your ad. So guys, I would make this headline as good as possible, description as good as possible, because this is what's going to show up. If you guys test, if I type test in, you guys want to see, this should populate. Yep, so you guys will see what the ad will actually look like. This is going to average out how many views, how many impressions, and the CPV that I'm going to get for the amount of spend that I have. So if you guys want to get 10,000 views on your video, you're going to have to spend, based on this targeting in this video, you guys are going to have to spend about $60 a day, and you'll be able to get 10,000 views a day. Now that could be great, right guys? If you guys are just starting out a YouTube channel, this is an amazing way to get subscribers, to get exposure. The one thing that you really need to focus on here is that, one, you're creating a really good headline, description, and descriptions for your ad. And then the other thing, you guys want to make sure your thumbnail is absolutely amazing. And if those three things are good, coupled with the targeting and the budget that you guys are gonna put behind it, your video is gonna get, one, get a ton of views, two, rank much higher in SEO for whatever terms you're trying to go after, and then three, you're gonna get a ton of subscribers from that. So there you guys have it. That's all you have to do to be able to get 10,000 views a day on your video using Google AdWords. Now, I wouldn't recommend that you guys run pre-roll ads if you're trying to get more exposure on your channel. If you guys are just trying to get 10,000 views on a video, a pre-roll ad may be good, but I don't think that's gonna actually increase the amount of people that are watching the whole entire video. That being said, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys use this. If you guys couple this with a really good SEO strategy, a really good thumbnail, and a really good ad, you guys are gonna blow up like crazy on YouTube. I've been using it for my own channel. I think I've gained close to 3,000 subscribers in the past month. I'm also ranking really, really high for terms like TikTok algorithm and TikTok 2020. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube SEO and how to upload your videos and how to make good thumbnails, make sure you guys check out the rest of the content on my channel and let me know in the comment section below if my channel doesn't have anything that you guys want to see. Let me know and I'll be sure to put it out there. Thank you guys for watching and make sure you hit that subscribe button below.